Assalamu alaikum, myself Azad from RV Junkie. How are you guys doing today? Well guys, I bought a Wild Colt, the very hyped perfume right now in fragrance community going on from Asaaf, Riyadh. And I bought this around 15k in Pakistani rupees from Walid Raza Bhai, and I will provide the number when I make an entire review video. And this is how you open this box. It's really hard to open. Okay, there you go. Asaaf by a Wild Colt by Asaaf. Okay, there you go. This is the perfume. Wild Colt by Asaaf. The entire review video will be on my channel soon, inshallah. I'm gonna unbox it, but the time is gonna be in a limit, 1 minute, so the entire review video will be on